Hey guys, one thing I love about Thailand is their love of Kit Kats. They're everywhere here. They're in grocery stores, huge displays everywhere, in airports, they're even in 7-Elevens. You can get them anywhere you go pretty much. And one thing I love is there's lots of different flavors of them. So you've got the regular, you've got the matcha, you've got dark, and then you even have dark that's 52% cacao beans. So really good stuff. You can't go wrong with any of the Kit Kats here in Thailand. But I was blown away because Boyd recently went on a work trip to Norway, and what he brought back for me were these. This is a KVIKK LUNSJ, which is kind of the Norwegian version of the Kit Kat, even though Norwegians don't want you to call it a Kit Kat. They see this as much better than a Kit Kat. So I thought I should do my duty and give it a taste test between the KVIKK LUNSJ and a regular Kit Kat. Let's give it a try. Okay guys, so first I'm going to try the original Kit Kat, which I've had before and it tastes exactly the same as the ones in the US. I'm not sure if these are imported or not, but I'll put this a little closer so you can see there is Thai lettering on here. The instructions on the back are in Thai because I wanted to see where they were actually made. So let's give this one a shot and see how it tastes. Do that, do this. Take a piece of the Kit Kat now. That's good. Looks the same, the chocolate lighter brown like you're used to seeing. So that's the Kit Kat. So now we're going to try the KVIKK LUNSJ. So we're going to open this and it actually looks, so I'm going to just show you what it looks like inside. This is actually a little smoother as far as the chocolate, but it's almost the same shade, kind of a lighter brown chocolate. So it looks very similar, so let's see how it tastes. Okay. Immediately I notice the chocolate tastes different. It's a little weightier, if that makes sense. The chocolate's really good. I would actually say the chocolate's better. The wafer's pretty similar. I don't know if you can see in there. The wafer itself is very crisp, just like the regular Kit Kat, and has a nice crunch to it, but it's really all about the chocolate. And this one I have to say, the chocolate's really good. So guys, in the taste test between the Kit Kat and the KVIKK LUNSJ, I'm gonna have to go with the KVIKK LUNSJ because of the chocolate. The chocolate's so much better. The Kit Kat, it kind of tastes like the chocolate you're used to. And if you've had a Kit Kat, you know what I'm talking about. There is something about American chocolate that is different than when you get chocolate in Europe or other places. And this really shows that the chocolate is better. So I'm gonna say KVIKK LUNSJ. I think we're gonna have to make a trip to Norway so we can get some more of these. Or if you're going to Norway, let me know and send me some, because I'll eat them.